As we gear up for summer adventures, one question looms larger than a towering pine. What's that magical contraption that transforms your campsite into a culinary haven? Enter the world of camping stoves. Whether you're dreaming of gourmet s'mores or a 5-star breakfast in the wilderness, the right camping stove can make all the difference. So grab your spatula and your sense of adventure. We're about to embark on a quest to find the best camping stoves that will make your outdoor cooking feats legendary. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. Coleman Classic Propane Stove. Our pick for best budget camping stove. If you're in the market for a camping stove that doesn't just promise a reliability but delivers it with a wink, the Coleman Classic Propane Camping Stove is your trusty sidekick. Let's face it, while other stoves may flaunt fancy features, they also come with a price tag that can leave your wallet weeping. This beauty is the budget-friendly hero of your camping kitchen, consistently available at half the cost of its pretentious rivals. With a heat output of 10,000 British thermal units per burner, it might be the underdog in the power department, but don't underestimate its capabilities. Sure, it lacks a push-start ignition, which means you'll need to bring along your favorite lighter or matchstick wizardry. But once you get it going, you'll discover surprisingly smooth temperature controls that make simmering or gently warming your food a breeze. And just like that, you're flipping pancakes or boiling water like a campfire chef extraordinaire. Your camping adventures deserve a stove with a proven track record. An Editor's Coleman Classic has been serving up meals for nearly a decade and is still going strong. It's a solid steel marvel, weighing in at 11 pounds 10 ounce and stretching out at 22.5 by 5 by 14.5 inches, perfectly sized for your trusty pots. So, when you're ready to take on the wilderness, bring along the Coleman Classic, the stove that's all about cooking gourmet meals without the gourmet price tag. Number 4. Snow Peak's Burner. Our pick for best portable camping stove. Are you ready to elevate your camping cuisine game? Meet the Snow Peak Home and Camp Butane Stove, your new trusty sidekick on all your outdoor escapades. Compact enough to fit in your bag like a water bottle, this stove proves that size doesn't matter when it comes to whipping up gourmet meals beneath the stars. Sure, this little guy won't crank out a roaring inferno like some hefty models, but who needs a bonfire when you have a push-start ignition and slick temperature control? Whether you're looking to boil water for that instant coffee fix or simmer a delicious stew, this stove has you covered. And don't fret about your cookware. It's got the strength to support pots up to 12 inches in diameter, so you can cook enough for your campsite crew, or just yourself, because sometimes you deserve a little luxury. At only 1.4 kilograms, it's light on your back but big on convenience, making it perfect for those weekend getaways or spontaneous road trips. Plus, cleaning up is a breeze, which means more time enjoying the great outdoors and less time scrubbing pots after a long day of hiking. Shove it in your duffel and let the culinary adventures begin. With Snow Peak leading the charge, your camp kitchen will be anything but ordinary. Still searching for the perfect camping stove? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. MSR PocketRocket Deluxe, our pick for best backpacking camping stove. If you're on the hunt for a backpacking stove that packs a punch without weighing you down, look no further than the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe, the reigning champion of the wilderness kitchen. Think of it as your trusty sidekick, ready for adventure with its compact design and impressive power. This little titan boasts an even burner that rivals even the most seasoned camp chefs, all while igniting faster than you can say s'mores. You may wonder if a backpacking stove can do double duty for car camping. Spoiler alert, it absolutely can. While typically we'd associate these stoves with hauling gear into the great outdoors, going minimalist with the PocketRocket Deluxe means fewer things to squish in your trunk. And let's face it, sometimes you just want to keep it sleek and simple. The burner is larger than you'd expect, giving you the heat control to whip up gourmet meals under the stars. Those sturdy arms? They're more than ready to handle your favorite pot or pan, making this stove a versatile tool in your culinary arsenal. We're not saying it's the only stove you need for a feast with friends, but if you're looking for a single stellar option that works perfectly whether you're hiking or parked at a campsite, the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe is your best bet. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game. Deliciousness awaits. Number 2. Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer, our pick for best high-quality camping stove. Are you ready to take your outdoor culinary adventures to the next level? Meet the Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer camping stove, your new best friend for whipping up delicious meals under the stars. With 2 powerful 30,000 British thermal unit burners, say goodbye to sad campfire dinners and hello to boiling water and sizzling favorites in no time. This portable powerhouse is as easy to set up as it is to cook on. With its detachable legs and a nifty 3-sided windscreen, you'll be rustling up gourmet grub wherever your wanderlust takes you, even when the wind tries to play tricks on you. But wait, there's more! This stove is versatile enough to accommodate all your Camp Chef 14 inches accessories. Whether you're dreaming of a juicy burger on the professional grill box or a slice of homemade pizza from the Italia Artisan Pizza Oven, your culinary canvas just got a whole lot bigger. Crafted from high-quality alloy steel, this beauty is designed for durability, perfect for tailgating with friends or camping trips with the family. And with a maximum output of 60,000 British thermal units, you'll have all the power you need to feed your hungry crew. Lightweight at just 2.5 kilograms, this stove is ready to follow you on all your outdoor escapades. So pack up, fire it up, and get ready to savor the flavors of the great outdoors. Happy cooking! Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Coleman Triton Stove, our pick for best camping stove overall. If your camping experience includes more than just roasting marshmallows over a pit of low-quality embers, then the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane camping stove is your culinary sidekick. Whether you're sipping coffee by a lakeside at dawn or whipping up a gourmet breakfast in the great outdoors, this portable powerhouse has your back. With 2 handy wind guards, you won't have to worry about your perfect pancake flip being thwarted by those pesky breezes. And let's face it, no one wants their campsite breakfast turned into a culinary disaster. The heavy-duty latch means you can toss this stove in the back of your car without getting a mini wrestling match as you try to pry it open. Cleanup? A piece of cake? Or should we say a piece of grilled fish? The durable chrome-plated grate is removable, making scrubbing a breeze after you've cooked up a storm. Plus, you can upgrade your chef skills with improved knob rotation that gives you precise control over both burners. 22,000 British thermal units of cooking power mean you'll never have to settle for cold beans again. And let's not forget the size. Whether you've got a 10-inch skillet or a 12-inch pan, this stove fits them all. Lightweight and gas-powered, it's the trusty companion you need for all your culinary adventures under the stars. So go ahead, elevate your outdoor cooking game. Woo, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best camping stoves. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which camping stove you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.